going to start with you, Antoinette. 35% of meetings are considered unproductive. And we've seen the cost impact for firms, as well as some of the indications about what better meetings might mean to the overall productivity of these firms. So in your experience, what makes meetings so important, and what can it mean for the organisation to get meetings right?
So I'm going to straddle a couple of things on this. In fact, I'm going to use a medical metaphor just because it makes it easier for me to do it. But when I talk about the overall health, if I go to meetings and it tells me about the brain of the organization, the cognitive diversity that's allowed in, right? It's the brain. Are we asking for different things? All the things Grace was just saying. Meetings tell me about the heart. Are we leading with curiosity or ego? You can pick that up pretty quickly, right? It tells me about the muscles and the bones. It's the infrastructure. Is development truly a priority? Do we skill develop here? Do we reward good behavior? What rules do we follow? So it tells me that. And it tells me about the lungs. Quickly, I can tell the culture of an organization. Do they laugh? Are they respectful? Are they dismissive? So meetings, adding to all the wonderful things that the research brings up about meetings, it tells me a lot about good or bad meetings being both a symptom and an outcome of good and bad practices and behaviors.